Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to mute and unmute the microphone using your earbuds BELKIN SoundForm ClearFit. So, to mute or unmute the microphone, we need to use touch controls, what located at the back side of your earbuds. Right here we have a BELKIN, this one is touch RS. So, now, as you can see, I speak and we have these waves. It means that my microphone unmute, so to mute it I need to press and hold at the right or left earbud. So press and hold. And now, as you can see, I speak but there is no wave, so I just mute the microphone. To unmute it, we need to also press and hold at the right or left earbud. So press and hold. Here we go, and now I speak, and again we have these waves. Now let's check the left one, is it works. So press and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, nothing. Press and hold again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, and we have this wave, so it works. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.